Okay guys, so sanded it down, I primered it, and I kind of painted it over it because I wanted to build it up, you know, so I could sand it down back down so I could get rid of most of the texture that it has. So it's looking a lot smoother, and hopefully that helps it. I still need to sand it down a little bit more on some places, like right there and right there. So yeah, let me sand it down a little bit more and I'm gonna start spraying it. Okay guys, so I sanded it down more. Oh man, I'm gonna primer it and paint it, and once again, this is the paint that I'm using. Duplicate color perfect match for 4 colors. Those are the paint code. Mine is the YZ, as you can see. I don't know if you can see. Let me see. Okay, kind of were sprayed on it, but there it is, and you can see it on the doors too. That's the paint code, YZ. So this matches it. So if you guys are ever like in the need of making a small repair, you know, because sometimes we might find ourselves in a position you know, I've seen some cars sometimes with the small little patch of Bondo and not paint it, and some of us, you know, sometimes we don't have the money to do it, and you don't want your car looking that way, so something like that might help, honestly. Just get yourself some sandpaper, this stuff, and you know, same brand clear or whatever, you know, whatever you can find at your local stores, and just do it. Because right here on this side, you know, I don't know if you can see the difference. I need to sand the whole fender, guys, and feather out the paint right here and then re-clear it. But right now, just for fun, you know, I just painted it. I just sanded a bit right here and then re-cleared it and polished it. So there's no line, no division line. You can see the difference in color though, but honestly, I don't know if you can see the gloss. Honestly guys, I mean, this is a really cheap fix, and it looks better than just having the Bondo. So I mean, this is a really good option for you guys that you know, it looks bad. I mean, if you pay attention to it, there's something wrong with it, but it looks a lot better than just having a patch of Bondo or primer only, because you know, you can get somebody to paint it. Just do it yourself and get yourself like I said, one of these, one of those polishers. It doesn't have to be that expensive, but you know, 50 bucks you could get a decent polisher. So yeah guys, this is the paint that I'm using. Okay, so we got it polished. I don't know if you could tell the reflection, but it's there. pretty shiny. So yeah guys, I'm still waiting on the plastic that I just painted to dry off a bit, and I'm gonna give it a second and third coat. Yeah guys. Okay guys, so I painted it. I had to wet sand some of the spots that dripped on me, as you can see, and some of that bottom black paint that was sprayed on first that dripped on me. That was really hard for me to see it, but you know, they popped out once I sprayed it. Like that one, see, that one's already kind of smooth already since I sanded it right now back there too. So I'm gonna spray it one more time and see if that took care of it. Okay guys, so we're kind of there. There's still little things I need to fasten, tighten up a little bit more and center up. Like that headlight, I need to center it a little bit more. It's kind of to the side. I need to play with that thing around too. This side is perfect. I know it kind of looks funny, that big gap on the front, and then it goes down again, but that's the way it is. There's no other way to doing it. Besides that, I'm gonna do some decals right now for that side and for the other side of the hood too, some black ones. So got the machine going. Well, not going, but so yeah guys, I'm gonna wait for the Okay guys, there's a decal. I really don't like it. It looks kind of funny. I think I'm gonna need to go around the front and just make another one that goes across the front right here, because those two on the side, they just look funny, man. They just look funny. I don't like them, but oh well.